Alright guys, so we are just entering in the main foyer. Vinyl tile coming up. That is hardwood floor underneath it. Definitely could use refinishing. It's not the same plank as this, but it is in similar condition. Walk into this. This would be the living room. Would be a radiator heating, but that radiator is not there. There's a radiator over there, however. Not to miss the details, that is a hookup for a central vac. So the house is plugged into central vacuum. The radiator here for what would be a formal dining room. That leads us to the first bathroom, full bathroom, sink, toilet, and a prison style shower. I'm not sure, was that aluminum? Whatever. And some storage. Around the hallway into the kitchen, good size. Ceiling's coming down. Plenty of paint to clean up. So you got your range, dishwasher, which is pretty far from the sink. That's an interesting design choice. Can't see the hose back there. And you have, I guess that would be your refrigerator space and some additional appliance shelves with what would be a butler's pantry, which is pretty standard for this age home. And we go through the hallway this time. And you see what I would call a parlor, entertainment room with some fancy woodworking here. So this is a deck that is cedar shake shingle. So this was an exterior at one point. They added this section. The electric is way newer than the rest of the house, but looks like the roof wasn't done very well, and the water came in and just messed the whole thing up. It doesn't look like a bad repair, believe it or not. Just looks like a lot of water. Just replace the woods and you're good to go. The support beams are still good, still solid, still even. So it's literally just replacing the frames on this wall and you'll be good to go. Let's try downstairs. So heading into the basement, we have a slab floor. Footers look like they were repaired at some point. These 4x4 wood beams, definitely original to the house. Yeah, that construction looks original to the house. So take a look here at your electric meter was turned around, I guess to make sure it came off, and your water meter sitting on the ground there. This is a trap, but there's no sump pump there. You know, those original sinks over there that everybody loves. Furnace, boiler, both winterized, so don't expect them to be on. This is a hole. I don't know what this is. I have no idea why there's pressure lines in here. Thought it would be a sump pump. I have no idea why that's there. Maybe it was a shower. This additional cold room, certainly original to the house. Probably has some historical value. Separate walkout exit, which is always fun. Always good to have that. And secret bonus, central vacuum. Central vacuum systems, not a lot of people know how to use them, but they do have some value in them, and some extra storage. Okay, so now we're headed upstairs to what would have been the original house. You know how I do it, Doom style. Turn to the right. Nice hallway closet. Better used now. What would be the master bedroom. I'm sorry. Closet, vinyl windows. For the windows that are intact, they do look to be in good shape. Yeah. Not so much for the screen. And we're over here with a pretty huge closet. It is a great size closet, about 30 square feet. About my estimates. Could be wrong. Probably wrong. Not a contractor. Bathroom, sink, toilet, shower. Somebody's looking at the plumbing, making sure it's there, I guess. This way we have storage closet, linen closet. We have the bedroom. This is another sweet bonus. We have this closet here, have this bedroom here. Clearly that window is leaking at some point. Clearly. Then you walk into this railroad bedroom. Now in New Jersey, this is no longer considered a bedroom. So you can't mark it as a bedroom. This bedroom has a suite closet in here, about the same size as the other room. Because the bathroom is here and it's jack and jilled, your sink is here, so your pressure lines are in this wall, which means it's in this wall. So to put a sink here would be very inexpensive. You already have a trap sewer line, so your toilet will go here very inexpensively, and you will have a massive bathroom. Close up this wall. I would even close up this and put the door on the other side and make this a master bathroom, with turning this into a master suite. Bonus tab. Then you have a whole bunch of room because the attic is finished. I'm gonna go all the way up because somebody left some gifts, but pretty good size. You can stand up there. That roof is missing a roof, so you definitely want to include that into your repair budget. And you just got a lot of room to work with here. A lot of room. So the value add here is tremendous. Okay, so that's the house. This particular house, there's some room to be creative. So you have basically your two options. So the ask is $330, leaving the same floor plan, meaning the exact same floor plan, not doing any value add. You're looking at an ARV of about 500,000. So there's some good room in there to, if you just want to throw 60, 70K into the house, clean it up, put it back together, and move on with the next deal. However, there's room in this neighborhood to do more. So looking back at this problem here, what you're going to fix anyway, right? You're going to fix this water wall that was broken down. Well, this piece right here was original to the structure. This is already structured, which means to get a permit to go up and build on top of this here, basically adding about 33% more square footage, you can then raise the ARV to about 600,000-700,000, giving you a lot more room to do a lot more things. Plus you have a little bit more of a modern house, a little bit more space, which this market is looking for anyway. So leave it at that. So your ask is $330. Basic mid-range renovation, you're looking at $500. However, with the value add renovation, you're looking at over $600,000-700,000, even close to $800,000 in ARV. Let me know what you think. On to the next one. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you're interested in learning anything else about real estate, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and drop a line. In the comments, tell us, what more do you want to know? And we'll get around to it. Till then, see you next time.